Insulating your walls is one of the best ways to keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. It can also help cut down on energy costs and reduce noise between rooms. Hi, I'm Peter, and this is how to insulate your walls. Let's get into it. Once you have access to the studs, you need to measure the gap between the noggins. You'll want to cut your insulation batts to fit snugly between each stud. Most insulation batts come pre-cut to standard widths, but it's a good idea to trim them to length for a neat fit. A utility knife and a straight edge work well for this. Make sure you're using wall insulation of the correct R value and check if you need acoustic, thermal, or a combination of both. Thermal insulation regulates temperature, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Acoustic insulation is great for soundproofing between rooms and is especially useful in bedrooms, home offices, or shared walls. Remember to always wear safety gear when handling insulation, such as gloves, a mask, long sleeves, and safety glasses. Next, start fitting the batts into the wall cavities. They should sit in place without any sagging or gaps. You don't want to compress the insulation, as this can reduce how well it works. Take your time here. It's a good idea to pay careful attention to corners and around power points and wiring. You can split the batt to fit around these or cut a notch. Just make sure everything stays evenly distributed. If you're adding insulation to an external wall, the process is the same. Make sure all the batts are in and you've double checked for gaps. Now you're ready to install your plaster sheets. And there you have it. Your wall is now insulated and ready to keep your space comfortable all year round. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.